Hi, this is Zach Cabria with Electricity Billing, and this video is Get Started 2, how to import your customer list. To import your customer list, you're first going to look up here on top, and you're going to want to click under Admin. Now under Admin, you'll see here, Import Setup Tools. Now under Import Setup Tools, look under the first box here, that's where you're going to click Customers. So now this step is quite important. This is the first step you have to do, and it's importing your customer list. So to do this, we want to click here to download the template. This will bring up a zip file, which you're going to open up. Here we go. So you see that right here? Open that up, and what we have is first we have an Excel file, and then we have a Word doc. The Word doc is how to import everything, but what we're going to do is open up this Excel file. As you can see, we have a few people's names here. And these are names we've provided for you that are just already given into the template. So the step here is you're going to have your own Excel file with all of your own data with your customers. So you're going to get rid of these, and instead of these, you're going to insert the data for your own customers. So it'll look, you'll have multiple, most likely many lines worth of data. So then I'm going to just close that. You'll want to save it. Close that out. And so then what you're going to do is go back in here, put in a description. So I'm going to call this one test. Call that test and click here. And then you're going to go and you're going to find that file which you wanted to then upload. So I'm going to see here. I'm going to look under to import, and here I've already preloaded them, and that's my customer list. I have a customer list of 3 people that I've created, so I'm going to upload that. Next thing I'm going to do is click Upload File. So now you should see the description here. Here we go. I've called it test. You see it's a CSV, which is the format you want to save all of these files in, which is an Excel format, and the date uploaded. And here we see status uploaded. Great. So there's a couple of things that you needed to know when we're putting in the Excel. The first thing is, if you're putting in your customer ID, if you had previously been with someone else, you have an alternate customer ID, so you might want to use that if it's a returning or old existing account. And another thing is, in the Excel sheet that we opened up right here, you're going to actually look under date and make sure if there's any dates, the year is actually 4 digits. So we'll show that to you in a future video as well. And lastly, any of the things here, subtopics here that have the star symbol, those are ones that you're going to need to fill out for sure. So that's something that's very important. And if you don't, then it'll come up as missing fields. Cool. So now I'm going to go back here. We've uploaded it. And then the last thing you have to do is just click right here to import the file. You should say OK. And just take a second to import all of that data. And this is what you should see. Import successful. So there you should see the total number of records processed, how many were successfully imported, invalid records, and the process completed in how many seconds. So everything looks good. If there was an issue, then it'll come up here and this will be red. And what you will do is you'll click here, and that'll open up a screen showing you what the different errors were, why, and how you could potentially fix those. So that's it. You've just imported all of your customer list. This is Zach Cabria. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Thanks.